Hi, welcome to Speak With Me. Today, we're practicing simple office small talk, the kind you use right before a meeting. Repeat with me, answer out loud, and speak with confidence. Imagine you walk into a meeting room and someone says, "Hey, how's your morning going?" Now say it yourself. Did you have a good weekend? Now say it yourself. Are you working on anything exciting today? Now say it yourself. I'm just catching up on emails. Now say it yourself. Let's grab coffee before we start. Now say it yourself. Now it's your turn. Imagine I'm your colleague and we're chatting before a meeting. Answer the questions out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Good morning. How are you today? Are you having a busy day or an easy day so far? How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Have you had your coffee yet? Would you like to grab some coffee before we start? Great job! Small talk is simple when you practice it slowly. Repeat this video a few times and you'll sound natural. And if you want daily speaking practice with me, I also run an online speaking club. It's English, relaxed, fun, and perfect for improving your confidence. Let me know in the comments down below and see you in the next Speak With Me video.